This is me at the Vancouver International Airport, about to embark on an 11-day vacation in Italy. What sets this vacation apart was the fact that I only took carry-on and one personal bag. I thought with as much as I love fashion, I was going to be in big trouble, but it turned out just fine. I thought I would share some tips and tricks with you that helped me be very successful during our trip with my packing and organization. Can you believe these waters near Portofino, Italy? Our trip included Milan, Florence, and the Italian Riviera, including Cinque Terre. I hope you enjoyed the tips and tricks and some of the silliness at the end. Welcome to Florence, Italy. We're right in the middle of a 2-week vacation to Italy, and I did a video on Instagram on kind of the steps to travel just in the midst of this 4th wave of the pandemic. If you have your vaccinations, you're allowed to travel. Here we are in the middle of the trip, and this time is the first time I've ever gone on a 2-week holiday with only a carry-on and a personal bag. So it really is putting my packing to the test. Kind of wanted to share with you some tips and tricks, different things that I use in order to maintain this small luggage. And especially I find it really being tested now that we're right in the middle, because we've purchased things, we've bought some clothes, some items to bring home. Number one, I guess, is to, when you leave, have some space and ability to grow. And I do have that with this suitcase, although I might then get caught at the ticketing counter about having this grows by an inch, my bag, or more actually. But anyway, I'm going to try not to expand it because I don't want to get charged or have to stow it underneath. So I'm going to first of all tell you that these I use packing, what are they called? Bags, blocks, these. And I don't know how we all survived without them before, like years ago, because I have several different bags. I think that's key, especially for a trip where you're in and out of cities, like 1, 2 days, 3 days. We were here in Florence. So everything has a bag. So this is, this is undergarments, t-shirts, and workout gear, leggings. And I will say one of the tips is finding out where there's a laundromat if you're in a bigger city, and luckily there was one across the street. So we didn't have to pack as much because we were able to do laundry yesterday. And so a lot of things got cleaned and we have no dirty laundry with us right now. So all of that will go, those things that go in that bag are packed away, and it's just like that. The other part of this is that this is so easy to then unpack when you get to your next destination. You know where everything is and you're not rifling through your suitcase. You're pulling this out and you know that this is where all your t-shirts and underwear and leggings are. And all of my electronics. Throw in the electronics bag, so I know that and that actually is in my carry-on, or my personal bag on the airplane. Makeup, of course, is always within its own bag. Some more electronics, a laptop, charger. Don't forget your adapter and converters for Europe and otherwise, and your jewelry, old school jewelry bag. And I like to change my outfit probably twice a day, and especially my shoes. I think that is key to keeping your feet all right when you're walking. I think we're averaging about 13,000 steps a day at least, and that's average. So making sure that you change up your shoes. So that's the thing. I have 1, 2, 3, 5 pairs of shoes. So that's hard. That's probably the hardest part. So I always have your, what are these called? Shower cap. So that you keep the yucky streets out of your bag. Remember your makeups and your creams. So where did that bag go? Here. So when you get to the airport, everything has to still fit. Apparently they're not as fussy on the amount of cream that you bring, although it does still say a total of 1 liter. So now they basically say anything that will fit in this bag can come. The other and probably last tip that I have is this bag. This is a magic bag. And this is not the kind of magic bag where you need a vacuum to take the air out. This is one where you get to lay on it. It's kind of funny, because especially on the bed, you'll want to squish it and get all the air out, and it turns it into a pancake. So between these items, I'm pretty amazed that I've been able to still feel like I am not sacrificing kind of fashion choices every day and wear the same thing every day, but I've been able to pack everything up. And I'll show you how this works. It's like a big Ziploc, and perhaps I'll link the product to this video. Just want to make sure it's right out, because the air actually comes out the other side. So I get a squish this way. You can hear it. I don't know if you can see it. Push it down here. Doing it on the bed is good because it has some give. So now it does wrinkle your clothes. I mean, you can't have it all. You're gonna have to shower if you want, or ask for an iron if it really wrinkles. Flat. Like a pancake. And there you have it. Look at that. And that's with some shopping. So this barely fits the regulation for personal bag, but I'm gonna try to, it worked coming here. It's just slightly, when I fill it, it's just slightly over regulation, but there you have it. I fit, and I've been here for a week, and we just have a few shopping items that we can probably put in my husband's bag, I'm hoping. But anyway, that's a few of my tricks. What should I say? Grazie? No.
Arrivederci.
I'll try. Arrivederci. No. Take 2. Arrivederci. 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 No.
Arrivederci.
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 Arrivederci. Try again. What's until next time? Bye for now.
Ci vediamo.
Ci vediamo.
And then see you later.